So many times we are faced with this challenge. So you want to do your TMA, the question is in front of you. You have your material with you. You know the answer is in the material, but how do you navigate your way through the material to get the answer? Well, now why I did do this video now? Okay, so what you will need to download the soft copy of your material. The soft copy, that is the PDF textbook we use. You will need that. And you will also need to have a PDF viewer. For me, I use Adobe Acrobat, which I think is the best. You can also use WPS, which is what you have here. You can also use, well, any PDF viewer. You can use Microsoft 365. You can also use your system. So if you're using your computer and you want to search, you want to use the search or find feature, all you have to do is do Control F. The Control key on your keyboard, which is CTRL, and you just tap on F. So it will bring about the control find feature, so you can find the answers using keywords. So let us get straight into it. For those of us using WPS, if you want to get the find or search feature, if you look at the top right of your screen, you will see this vertically arranged is it ellipsis or these three dots, the top right of it. So just tap on it. It will bring the find option for you. So when you click on it, you can easily find whatever it is you're looking for. Then you use the directional navigation icons below, which is what you can see here. So when you tap on it, you can easily navigate your way through the material to get this particular word migration all over. Now, if you're using iPhone, the layout will be quite different. So for iPhone users, this is what you will see. Just click on this square you have here. It will bring about this menu for you. You click on find under view. Then you can start using the find or search feature. All right, so let us just look at one particular question, try to get the answer from the material, then we'll call it a day. So this is MK taking shot to run a test migration using the new CRM is called Worth. This answer is in your material, but are you going to start opening the material, looking at it page by page? That material has over 160 pages. So are you going to navigate your way through all these pages looking for this answer? That is stressful. So we have a better way of doing it. So what you'll do, you just copy the question, not the whole question per se. Copy 2 words or 1 word. Find a word that is kind of somehow unique, not a common word. Don't search with act or making, because in the material, making appears more than 50 times or 100 times. You'll have to be going through all of that one after the other, trying to find this question. Don't use words like using or CRM. CRM appears more than, I think, over 100 times in the material. So I'm going to use 2 words. I'm going to use test migration, because I don't expect test migration to appear more than 3 times in the material. So I'll go to my Adobe Acrobat, which is my preferred choice. So let us search with test migration. We want to get that question. That question was taken from this material. So we want to find it. Test migration. Then I hit my search. If you look at the top right, you will see the navigation keys I can use to click on, like next, just to next till you get to your the desired result you're looking for. So I'll just click on it. So you can see it has taken me straight to where the question was gotten from. Test before migrating. Make sure to run a test migration using the new CRM. So when I come back to my question, that is just it. The act of making sure to run a test migration using the new CRM is called test migration, which is option D. So you can see how we were able to navigate straight to the answer. Imagine we use a word so common, a common word like making or CRM, for example. Let's use something like CRM, which will not be wise, and you do search. Just imagine, do you know how many times I'll be hitting this? you have to go through the material like over 100 results to get to this answer. So that is why we use keywords like 2 words or 3 words. So let us look at another example. So this is another question. Now let me not use this, something technical. All right, no, not this, something else. Okay, so what is the first step in the Jim Stern and Matt Cutler 5-step customer life cycle? This one is quite easy. I'll just have to search with a name. I'm going to search with Jim Stern because I don't expect Jim Stern to be repeated more than 10 times in the material. So that way my results will be limited. But if I go search with words like life cycle or customer, do you know how many times customer appears in this material? It's over 70 times. So imagine hitting the navigation key like next over 70 times. It's time consuming. So I'm going to search with Jim Stern. So I'll go back to my material. I click on Jim Stern. So you see, it brought me here. Customer life cycle of CRM, marketing analyst. So Jim Stern and Matt Cutler have developed a matrix that breaks the customer life cycle into 5 distinct steps. So what is the question saying? What is the first step these guys developed in the customer life cycle? So the material says that Jim Stern and Matt Cutler, they have a developed matrix which breaks the customer life cycle into 5 distinct steps. So the 5 steps, as you can see here, is reach. This is it. So all I have to do is come back to the material and click on reach. Click on reach. And so you have it. That is just how you navigate your way through the material using the search and find feature. So I'm sure you can figure the rest out yourself. If you have any challenge, just drop your comments. This time I promise you I'll attend to it. All right, bye bye.